tiny shopping centre, and I picked out wait, let me take the stick off this. Went to Argos. Yeah, I went to Argos. A new stadium. It is the Max Stampede Stadium. And I went to the toy shop and I got Poison Zurafa. I'll be doing his code giveaway soon. Don't know when, but when I'm bothered. And Ultimate Gravity Destroyer Stamina. Giving his away, but I don't know when. Okay, I'll be unboxing both of these people. Okay. My scissors. I'll be unboxing Poison Zurafa first. Okay, let me just open this. I need to make this quick and speedy because I don't have enough time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is cool. I like this. Okay, opening this now. Oh, comes with a lilac tool. Stickers. Instructions. A grey launcher. And a ripcord. Okay. It's time to take this out now. Clear face bolt. Translucent, if you can see that. Zurafa. This is Zurafa. Poison. I'm not sure what this one is. I'm not sure what this truck's called. And a metal ball. A metal ball, that's its tip. Okay, let's get this together now. It's my pink tool. So cool, man. Wait, I think this might be able to change modes as well. Oh, I thought it would be able to change modes, but it won't. And there it is, Poison Zurafa. Okay, I'll be testing his test. I'll be testing him after I unbox. Ultimate. This is the code. Won't be giving it out yet, but soon I will. It's time to unbox Ultimate Gravity Destroyer Stamina. Oh, my gum hurts. No, my what's it called hurts. Jaw, because I just had a filling and they injected the needle. Oh my gosh, nightmare. I got that right there. Whoa! It's got the left spinning. Oh, I forgot about that. It's a left spinner. That's cool. Cool, very cool, man. This is a left spinner as well. I forgot it should have come with a dual launcher. Comes with a blue left spinning. Cool. It comes with an El Drago. It's basically El Drago's launcher. This is the ripcord. And a lot of stickers. Instructions. Now let's get the bay out. Another translucent face bolt. Don't know if you can see that. It's blue and yellow. It's cool. Oh, and I love this energy ring. It's so cool. Destroyer. Energy ring. This is Ultimate Destroyer. Gravity. Oh, I think Virgo had this bottom track. Yeah, I think he had this. I don't know what it's called. And the stamina bottom. Let's put this together. Oh yeah, the tool. I can't find it. It comes with a blue tool as well. Oh, and here's the code. Won't be given out yet, but I'll be giving it out with the Zurafa. First place and second place. Put this together. This bait can spin both ways. And then it is Ultimate. Ultimate Gravity Destroyer Stamina. Okay, now I'll be battling against each other's ways. That'll be cool. Putting this in the spin location. And this right. Who wins, yeah? In my new stadium. Pretty cool. I just spit on my turf and it really hurt. That hurt. Sorry about that. Yes, spinning. They both look pretty cool, man.